Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can disable or enable the Book app on your iPhone. Friends, please write your comments, be sure to put your likes, and also subscribe to our channel. And let us get started with you. And if you would like to remove the Book app from your iPhone screen, if it's bothering you, or you don't use it, or you don't need it, then please go to your phone settings and then select the Screen Time option. Here you will need to scroll down and find the option Content and Privacy Restriction. Please click on it. Next, go to the option which is called Allow App and Features. Here you can easily find the Book app. And to disable it, you just need to click on the button next to the app name. If you have a password on your phone, please enter it. After that, you will be able to see, if you go back to the working screen of iPhone, how this application in a few seconds it will be disabled or removed from the working screen. And after that, you will not be able to find this app on your iPhone. It may take some time, don't worry, this app will definitely disappear. And if you try to find it, let's say, on any of the screens, or if you try to find it through the search bar, unfortunately, you will not be able to do so because this application is disabled. And to get it back, you'll also have to go into the settings. And then, you will need to go to Screen Time and so on. As I said earlier, after that, opposite the name of the app, enable the opposite. You'll need to enable that feature. And after that, the Book app, it will turn on and it will go back to your iPhone work screen. And you will be able to use this application. Friends, this is the way you can easily and quickly turn on the Book app on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and also that it was useful to you. Please give your likes, comments, and subscribe to this channel and see you soon.